I hope. Oh. Shall we begin with the things that I bought at the store or the things I bought online? First off is the Bare With Me Concealer Serum, and I just did a video featuring this, and I actually have it on right now. You get all the tea on this concealer, and whether I like it or not, I'm not gonna tell you here because then I'm just gonna be giving it away. So I'll make sure and I'll link that down below. These are some of the new at Ulta things. Okay, so I ordered this Revlon ColorStay Skin Awaken Caffeine plus Vitamin C 5-in-1 concealer. I am loving that makeup brands are coming together and making makeup that is actually good for your skin. So I can't wait to read in on this. This was one of the newer items as well, but this is what I have so far. And if I do get the concealer, I'm gonna do a whole like in-depth review on the collection. But I'm so excited because I already love Revlon. So the fact that they're making a concealer is actually good for you. Excited. And they accidentally sent me two. So I definitely want to make a video trying the new products. I've been hearing nothing but good reviews about the Smashbox Becca Under Eye Brightening Corrector. I got it in medium dark because I feel like these peachy tones are the ones that would probably work as color corrector best for me. So this is what she looks like. I'm just gonna do a little swatch. And she's like that orangey, I don't know if you can see it. She's definitely like an orangey undertone. That would cancel out a lot of like the areas under my eyes, next to my nose. So next I picked up the e.l.f. Brow Lift Gel. And this is another one that I want to do a comparison video for the Anastasia Brow Gel, because I really hope that this is a dupe. It's a more affordable gel and it's e.l.f. I mean, I feel like e.l.f. always does me well, you know what I mean? I've never had issues with e.l.f. e.l.f. is one of the brands that I actually started using when I first started doing makeup years ago. So I'm really excited to try this brow lift. And it's also clear, but it looks a little bit more cloudy than the Anastasia Beverly Hills one. Look out for a video reviewing this one versus the Anastasia Beverly Hills gel. Next, I picked up this setting spray, and it just seems so intriguing to me. I don't know why, but it's also from e.l.f. and this is the Stay All Day Blue Light Micro Setting Powder. We all know that we're in front of our computers and in front of our phones all freaking day. So if you can use little things like a setting spray to kind of like counteract that blue light, I say why not? So I bought this and I'm really excited to try it. I should open it. I need to be like more patient because I'm like, hurry, open, and I'm gonna break the top of it. Okay, so it says, lock down your look with this lightweight makeup setting spray that absorbs blue light. Infused with skin-loving aloe and elderflower extract, it helps keep makeup looking fresh all day with a matte, shine-free finish. Touch-ups are a thing of the past. I just want to smell it right now. Like, I'm not gonna try it since I'm reviewing something. Okay, I'm happy. There is no scent to her. So next I have the CoverGirl TruBlend So Flush High Pigmented Blush, and I got it in the shade Sweet Seduction. Let's open her up. I obviously was way too excited. Like, I didn't open anything. I'm like, let's do this right now. Oh, she's pretty. You know what? When I'm swatching it, it's a lot lighter than I thought it would be. So I definitely see some after applying it twice. So it is a buildable blush, which is always a good idea because sometimes on the nose I like flush, and then on the sides I like it a little bit more aggressive. So I guess that's why they named it So Flushed. Pretty flushed blush. Ooh, I love that. So I saw this beautiful brown tone palette from e.l.f. and I was like, wow, those are like right up my alley. They remind me a little bit of like the Hood of Beauty, just browns in a little, you know, I thought it was gonna be like a big size like this. Look at the size of her. And I should have known because it was like $3. If this is not going to be my favorite on the go palette for browns, I don't know what. Cannot wait to try it. It was only $3, and these are the bite-sized eyeshadows. This one is actually in I Love You a Latte. How cute. I love your latte. All these beautiful browns. I love these two middle shades. I love this for like the inner tear duct. I love this for like the outer V. Beautiful, beautiful. And I know I'm getting so excited. It's because I get excited for makeup and I haven't went and purchased new makeup in so long. I think so one of the things that threw me off was like the back-to-back release of makeup. I just was not a fan of it. It kind of pushed me away from makeup. I started gearing more towards the fashion, which I love and you will see on this channel continuously. But I've kind of been falling back in love with makeup. Next I have from one of my favorite Netflix shows, La Casa de Papel, or Money Heist in English. And it's this beautiful green, and you guys know, if you've been watching my fashion videos, you know I love green. And let's watch her right here. Ooh, that is pigmented. Do you see that? Ooh. You can pop that on the lower lash line and like throw some lashes on, some blush, and that's it. Cute, beautiful, beautiful. The ColorStay Line Double-Ended Liner. And I love that it is like a kohl and liquid, so it's like you can get some of the kohl, you can put it in your lower lash line, really give you that cat eye look, and then you can go ahead and make a cat eye and do a beautiful wing with this liner. I'm so excited to try it. I got it in Blackout and I cannot wait to try it, show you guys how dark it is. Like, is it going to replace my Maybelline Eye Studio or not? This is the ColourPop Ticket to Dreamland palette, and look, do you see the packaging on this? Is so gorgeous. I have not been excited for a palette in so long, outside of like my regular nude palettes, you know? They're just kind of looking all the same. And I feel like this one's so pretty, and it's going to be so nice to add this to my collection. The prettiest colors. These are going to be so gorgeous for makeup looks. There are a lot of shades that I would use as toppers. Like, look at this. Step right up. Like, what? We're gonna swatch her. Oh. Oh. I'm sorry, I just had like a mini heart attack right now, okay? If you're looking for a nice palette or like want to gift a nice palette, I definitely recommend this one. It was super inexpensive. I think I paid about $18 for this palette, and obviously the quality is like, hello. Next, I also picked up this Tattoo Studio Brow Lipstick. And the cool thing about this is that it looks like it has like a dial where you can adjust the amount of product you could use. I got it in deep brown, and this is from Maybelline. I'm really excited because you guys know I try to do a little bit less to my brows nowadays, or like for the last year or two. This is going to be in my trying new makeup. Oh my god, this is so cool. So one side is like a brush. How do I? So it's like a brush. Like, it's very different than what I thought it would be. See that? And then the other side. Oh, I get it. So you apply it like this. Oh, fuck yeah. So next we have the Maybelline Ultimate Matte Lipstick. I've been searching for a brown, but like a brown that has a little bit of a red undertone. So this is what the packaging of that looks like. Ombre effect. It's lighter on this side, darker on that side. And let's swatch it. Ooh, that's beautiful. And it actually has a little bit of that reddish undertone, which is one of the things I was looking for. Oh, and it smells good and not a strong, like a super strong smell. To go ahead and top that, from NYX, I got the Praline Butter Gloss. They're just the most buttery, most glossy, most pretty lip butters out there. Lip butter, lip glosses, whatever you want to call it. So I would definitely top that if I really want like a glossy look. These together, perfect. Another palette I picked up is actually from Makeup Revolution, and this is the Ultimate Nudes in Dark. These are such pretty plummy, like they're like in the plum brown family. So these together would be like gorgeous, you know, like dark browns, nice rich colors. And you can do anything from like a neutral nude kind of eye to a darker, like going out at night plummy look. Lastly, not a new product, but a staple is the Ruby Woo lipstick. I love this red. This is a forever favorite. And growing up, this was one of my favorites. The cake smell of like all the MAC lipsticks is yes, it's a yes for me. And last but not least, I picked up some foot masks, and these are the cool ones. Like, I don't know if I'm the only one that feels like this is so cool to like peel your feet, peel all the dead skin off of your feet, because if it's one part of our bodies that has so much dead skin as our feet. So I picked these up from Ulta when I went. These are from Tony Moly. After a couple of days, you can start peeling at your feet. I don't know if I would post something like that because it's kind of nasty. The result is so nice, and you get these soft, super soft feet. So I bought 2 so I can do it with my boyfriend. He has a lot of dead skin on his feet too. So that concludes our new at Ulta haul. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe, like the video, and go ahead and put that notification bell so you know every single time I upload and when I get to review these products that I showed you today. Make sure you go ahead and check out my social media if you would like, just to kind of see the looks that I do. And yeah, thanks for hanging out with me, guys. Until next time.